Today I'm gonna go going over my Lego sets. By the way, I just finished the Ford Raptor, right, like 10 minutes ago, and it's a 6-month progress. Alright, first up, we're going with the first ever one I made. It's the McLaren Serena. And the top right here says McLaren right there. The hood could pop open like this. That. The wheels are butterflies wings, so they're like that. Look at that. Then the pistons move. It goes like that. The other door moves as well. Here's the back of it. I like this up here, this whole thing up here. The backlights. I wonder what this is right here. I don't know what it is. The wheels are right. There's a wheel right there, and another wheel right here. You could probably see my finger under here. So yeah, that's kind of it for this one. So it looks like when it's going down. By the way, if you guys are wondering how much this was $50 at Costco, but they probably don't have it anymore. On Amazon, it's cheaper, so kind of we got ripped off a little bit. Next up, this one. Don't ask what happened to it because it's kind of messed up. This one also has pistons, but it doesn't move because I don't know what the heck happened to it. It literally just broke. So these, the same one, they go up and down like that. The Corvette logo's right there. I wish these open, but they barely open. They just go like that. Alright, and this, I like the fin. Pretty sure that's what it's called. It looks pretty cool. This turns the wheels, but I don't know where they're at. That's pretty much it for this one too. Alright. Moving on to the very little one. Oh no! No. Dang it! I just broke it. No, I dropped it. Oh no. This is bad. No. No. Please. No. Thank you. Where did this come from? No, here. Sorry, I dropped the Lego and now it's in pieces. Alright, there you go. So this one is a 1970s Lambo. These don't open, which sucks. The back, I'm still working on it. The wheels. Holy crap. Now I have to do this again. The wheels, they came with the rims. The wheels came with the rims right there. So you just take the wheel and then there's like an outside thing that's behind the rim. Then you just click it in there and then it's pretty much done. This is gonna wrap that one up. Now, the one that all of you guys probably have been waiting for. This big behemoth. The door opened like that. There's a back door. You know, put stuff in there. Alright. And the hood opens. And they have different pistons. So they look like they look different. This is what it looks like when they're moving. Alright, get some light. Dang it. Alright, this is what they look like when they move. My favorite part about this is they have suspension. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the suspension is the yellow part right here. And look at this. It goes up like that. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. This opens like this. It's kind of hard because it stops right here. There you go. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot about that one up there, the orange one. The orange car, the other orange one cost $70. The little car cost like 20 at Target. Eesh. And I'm gonna do a new car. I'm gonna do a new one. It's a green Mustang. I should have that by this end of the week. So both have suspension, which is really good. Oh, look at under it, bro. Thing. Look at that. Every single bit. Look, that's the other suspension for the back. That one. And this thing came from Michigan. Are they too close? Go Michigan. That's very far away for me. And yeah. Oh yeah. Also this moves too. So the wheels move. It's actually better on the wood. So look. There we go, guys. We've I'm gonna wrap up the video here. If you guys like it, please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.